Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I will be reviewing Alpine Linux 3.16 as you can see here. Now, the OS is loaded and I'm gonna be honest, I have no clue what to do because I do not know to install Alpine and I do not know the default password. Okay. Time to search Alpine default password. Okay, sorry about that. Alpine Linux default password. Okay. Oh, okay. Now we're in. I have absolutely no clue how to install Alpine. Or you can set up the system set up Alpine. Okay. Keyboard layout. US. Okay. Select variant. US -alt -international. Okay, enter system hostname. Fully qualifying. I don't think this is necessary. I also don't think that's necessary. We're gonna go with. Can we not choose static? Okay, I guess not. I guess we're gonna go with DHCP. Do you know manual? No, I do not want to. New password. Okay. Time zone, yeah, UTC would do. None. PC box. None. Okay, I haven't done a terminal install in a long time. So yeah. Okay. Enter mirror number. Oh god. We are just gonna go with the one I see. I guess we're gonna go with 72. Let's hope this install works. I haven't done a non-graphical install in a long time. Okay. The lowercase login name. Let's set that. 1, 2. Okay. Wait, so did they accept it? I hope so. None. We're gonna go with OpenSSH. This you have to use SDA. How would you like to use it? Sys data system. I think sys is our system. Okay. So this works. I have never installed Alpine before. So yeah. Okay, now it should be formatting the driven tray to install it. Okay. So yeah guys. While this installs, I'll talk about the videos I'll be uploading. Firstly, I'll be uploading more Linux videos, so I have content planned out for following videos are like tiny core Linux, this kind of things. So yeah, I will be doing that. I'll be reviewing that soon. Maybe not now, maybe in a few days. So yeah, for today the video is, Alpine, and I haven't seen a terminal install in a long time. I think this is cause it's the minimal booting one, so yeah, 10%. Okay. Anyways guys, if you are liking this video now, please leave a like and subscribe so you can check out my other videos as well. Yeah. Okay, this is very boring. I don't think you can open a new tab in CLI because I don't think that's how it actually works. Go to macOS and appear. Yeah. There's really nothing much you can do for a terminal install cause terminal, I don't think you can have more than one unless you kill the process then you use it. But we can try SSHing, but I don't think SSH is installed yet. So I guess the only thing we can do is be patient and wait for the installation. So yeah. Okay, now it's at 14%, 15%. I can't tell whether this is slow because this is running off my hard drive or this is because of the system. Because the system still has a 4-core vCPU and 8 gigs of RAM and a 70 gig drive. I don't remember putting 70 gigs, but there's a 70 gigs. How long will this take? This is taking comparatively longer to other Linux distributions, considering that this is a terminal install. So yeah, a bit surprising, but I don't know. This was taking a very long time, I'm gonna be honest. The bar is moving very slowly. God. Okay, all this installs. There's really nothing much you can do but to wait. I didn't expect Alpine to take such a long time for installing, I'm gonna be honest. Expected Alpine's install to be smooth and faster than whatever is happening now. This was not expected. Expected something like a 5 to 10 minute install for the whole process. This is taking Ubuntu server install times, which is, to be real honest, I do not like the amount of time Ubuntu server takes to install. It's a horrid amount of time, or at least sometimes it can take up to an hour. So yeah, let's hope this does not take up to an hour, cause it's gonna be a very long time then. This is why I prefer lightweight distributions. Like this is supposedly lightweight, I think, but like Alpine Linux and Tiny Core or them small Linux DSL, these are significantly faster in installing because they have ISOs of 13 to 40 megabytes in size, or even sometimes maybe 100, but nothing in the gigabytes. So they are very lightweight, and they can run on practically any hardware that you give it. So yeah, this is taking extremely long, and I don't think any comments. Yeah, okay. Can I type? No, yeah, it doesn't work. It just install clear also doesn't work. Oh, I can't type clear. Yeah, it doesn't work. No commands work. So yeah, I guess we will just have to be patient and wait. This is going extremely slow. I didn't even think formatting the drive would take this long. It's just gonna take too long. I'm sorry, but I cannot recommend this because I feel that installation is one of the most important part when it comes to Linux. Cause I feel if you're gonna do it once, it has to be done right. And if it's gonna take a very long time, I'll take a pass. Cause for me, I have over 10 instances of Ubuntu servers, and they took collectively over 12 hours to install for all of it, due to the amount of updates I faced, errors I faced during using the installer. To be fair, it was an ARM server, so yeah, 10 instances of Ubuntu, and they are on the cloud, but they are privately hosted servers. Yeah, this is taking very long considering the installation, and this is very surprising. It's only at 33%. Okay, bear with me for a while and we'll see how long this takes to complete. Wait, I used it for sys. I think that means it's using it for system install, but the system install is taking painfully long time to install. So yeah, anyways, while this installs, I will talk about other operating systems that I can recommend, cause this will be taking very long. So my top 5 favorite, they are non-server installations, so they are the desktop versions of it, is Manjaro KDE Plasma Linux. That is one of my favorite. It has a very easy to use GUI. Yeah, people might say, oh my god, Arch distros are so hard to use, but for Manjaro it's a different case. It's very easy to use, and I would prefer it more than Debian Linux. I'm gonna be real honest, it's better than Debian, but we can't really be comparing it like that because Debian is like the root family tree for like half of the Linux distributions out there. But I mean, yes, there's Slackware, there's Arch-based distros, there's Fedora, Red Hat. I haven't done a Fedora video yet because there's the time to review Fedora Linux, and there's also OpenSUSE, if that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, I'll be planning to review this soon in upcoming videos. So if y'all would like to see it, please like and subscribe. Okay, now it's actually faster. Okay, the second the second operating system I would recommend is what's it called? Yeah, Ubuntu Linux. Ubuntu Linux is also very smooth. It's also a great OS. I use the GNOME version. But if y'all don't really understand English per se, there is a lot of different languages for it as well. I'm personally Chinese, so I have also tried out Ubuntu Kylin Linux in another video. So y'all can also go ahead and check that out. Okay, now for my third and last operating system, I would recommend macOS. I'm gonna be real honest. It's like, I guess it's not. Let's just reboot here first. I think that should work. Okay, I know macOS is not Linux, it's Unix, so I'm just gonna generalize it as operating systems. I personally feel that macOS is amazing and it has a lot of features in it that you can use. And Apple, I know it's proprietary, so a lot of things cannot be used. Anyways, we are done installing, I think. I guess not. I spelled Alpine wrongly. Okay. Now it's doing something again. We'll let it do its thing. And I will continue talking. Oh, are we going through the same process again? Alt, Int. I feel I'm doing the same thing. Huh. This is confusing. Let's just go and check the installation for Alpine and make sure I didn't do anything wrong. Okay. Oh, I definitely have enough. I'm quite sure Alpine is a graphical user interface, so okay. How this tries to work. You set up Alpine. Okay. Huh. Can I not? Okay. I've absolutely no clue how to do this. Okay. Data this mode. Setup bootable. Okay. Let's see. Can we do the setup bootable? I have no clue. What did this go? Why does Apple bring that up? That was the most random thing. Unbootable. Okay. Huh. There's a traditional hard drive install. Set up Alpine, use for generic custom partitionings. Yeah, I should just run up set up Alpine and it should work. Okay. Okay, crypt tree partitioning boost and this mode me. Wait, okay, let's just shut this down using Command C and Control Alternate. Okay, I guess not. I guess you'll be doing a shutdown. And that. Okay, I guess you're doing a reboot because shutdown is not a registered key. And will this bring up the VMware page? Okay, I couldn't even stop the launching of Alpine. I guess we have to be quicker. Next round, I think VMware is a F1 thing. VMware Fusion, the BIOS. Power on the BIOS. Virtual machine, power on. Okay, just do and we are gonna shut down through this first and see how that works. Okay, now we are gonna do a VM and power on to Can I not power on to? Where is it? To power on to, I think it's F10, so I'll just press F10 on this. Okay. I have a single one. Is it so? Linux root query. VMs. Okay. Yeah, it's still starting up. This that I cannot know how to install unless I installed it without. Unless this is already installed. I have to check the drive edit. Oh yeah, I should already check the drive. I'm quite sure this is not installed. You can set up with the message. Set up this Alpine. I do not know why. Now I'm very confused. Was I not meant to restart? This few times I noticed the operating systems that I'm reviewing, the installation has become very hard. Or harder, at least. Okay, because I've noticed in my past reviews, I have messed up 2 installations, which is Calculate Linux and Get to Linux. These 2 I've also had problems installing. We're just gonna name this Isaiah. Okay, this was one of the things that was very confusing for me because I'm not very good with CLI, even though I have over 100 hours using it for other things, but I don't do installations very well on CLI. We'll try this for a while more. If we don't succeed, I will have to make a part 2 and I will have to come back and see how to do it. So yeah, this should be the same for the Gentoo and the Calculate Linux video, because this is probably on my part that I have to know how to install this. Okay, now this machine is named Isaiah at least. And I can CD home, right? Oh, I think this is actually installed. Okay. It took me so long to figure out. Now, time to install a graphical user interface. I'm gonna be honest, I've known how to do it. So I'm gonna have to figure it out firstly. Oh, I wrote how to install Linux instead of a GUI. Linux CLI. Okay, can. Let's see how to do it. Prerequisites. Okay, so we're gonna skip the first step. Sudo apt install slim. Okay, I guess we can just do apt install since sudo is not a valid command. Okay, yeah, I forgot it's Alpine. Does Alpine not use? Does Alpine not use? Okay, we have Alpine Linux based stuff. Wait, can I just try Pacman and see how this is? Nope. The package manager is APK. Oh yeah, wait, are they? Yeah, it uses Alpine package manager in Alpine. Now this is gonna be a bit difficult because it uses APK and I've not used APK before. Yeah, it is. Okay. Now let's see installing. Okay. I'm gonna use setup -xorg -base. I know it may seem like I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm gonna be real honest, I probably have no clue what I'm doing. So yeah. We'll just wait for this to work first. I've never actually needed to install a GUI before because I will usually do the graphical user interface version directly. So I would have to go through this trouble of installing the GUI myself. Oh, this is gonna take as long as well. Worth it. This is why for beginners I would always recommend Manjaro KD Plasma, as I would feel like that's a very basic one. There's almost no way you can go wrong with that. The last time I went wrong with Manjaro was cause I didn't plug in the HDMI cable fully, so that caused no graphical use and it caused it to have no signal. So yeah, that's my fault. And afterwards I had no other problems with it, I think. Yeah, I didn't have much problems, but anyways, this installation is taking a bit faster, so that's good. Okay, anyways, we are installing XFCE because it's the easiest one per se, or the easiest one that I somewhat know how to do per se. Yeah, we phrase it that way. Okay, now it's gonna take 11% less than that. Okay, now we're done. Well, let's do a RC the service dbus start. Must I do an apt install dbus apk slash help add all the commit changes. Okay, pk add dbus. Okay, yeah, that works. Great. Now we're gonna run the dbus start. We're gonna do rc dash update at dbus. Okay, now we're gonna do rc dash update at light dm, and now we're gonna do the apk at light dm. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a tutorial on this for different distributions because this is very complicated for me and for many beginners. I guess it may not be completed. Oh god, my English. It may not be complicated for some of you, but beginners and for me personally, it's kind of difficult. So yeah, I'll be making a tutorial on this sooner or later. I'm only installing this because I feel like it would be easier for me to review it with a GUI instead of doing terminal stuff, because terminal stuff is kind of boring. I'm gonna be real honest if you are new to Linux, and kind of painful. So yeah. Okay. Then afterwards I start this, it should just work. 70 something percent, 90 something. Should be 100 in no time. 5. Okay, it's 100 now. Okay, now I just have to proceed here. Now I do rc dash service light dm start. Okay, now I reboot and let's hope this works, cause yeah, this is supposedly should work and I should be booting into a GUI, unless I must have start something. Okay, is here password. Okay, this is very weird. I've read everything, which is very weird. Do I have debug? Can I get status of it? Status is a thing, right? System CTL is a thing. Okay, RC service dbus status. This should work. Started. Okay, now we're gonna try check this for service light dm. Okay, I cannot type today for some reason. Why is light dm stopped? RC, oh yeah, cause okay, I really have to have the RC dash update at light dm. So install Skipping. Okay. Now can I RC service like DM start? The whole thing's wrong. Okay. Service like DM start. Can I zoom? Okay. Okay, now I can do RC service thing. RC dash service like DM. I'm typing today, I swear. Start. Starting display manager. Now must I do the RC service RC dash update add like DM thing again? It's already installed, so can I just reboot and it should work? Okay, if this doesn't work, then I guess we'll be trying another time. Alpine. This is very complicated for me. Confusing to be the right term. Yes. Okay, install XFCE. Did I install XFCE? Yeah, I'm quite sure I did install XFCE. Am I booting from the wrong drive? PK update. Because we've done setup. This xorg dash base. What? Can I just RC dash service start them? HW driver start and mdev and mdev start. I have no clue. Okay. Now this is yet more confusing. Must I do a RC update? And let's do add here. Start is not valid run level. Okay, yeah, I shouldn't have start here. Okay, nope, I'm done with this. I've tried this 3 times. Maybe I ran debug. RC dash service debug status. It started. I'm supposedly supposed to see the user interface the moment I start like DM, which does make sense, I guess. Okay. Okay. Since this doesn't work, I will have to try again another time. So I'm very sorry. I have supposedly installed Alpine. Did I? Yeah, I did install Alpine. It's just that I didn't install the graphical user interface. So yeah, this is the best I can do for now. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying how to figure out how to make this work. And if y'all do like it, please leave a like and subscribe for other videos. And I hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye.